In today's video, we're going to look at how to replace the gold leaf on a gold leaf electroscope. So this is to take the top part of that out, and remove the plate on the top. Scrape any remaining leaf and adhesive from the steel rod and place a gold leaf right at the edge of a bench. It's important you work in a draft-free environment. I think Cleeps recommend using a fume cupboard that isn't turned on to stop any drafts. The traditional way is to use something called shellac, which is a type of varnish. I tend to use Pit Stick and just wipe a little on a cocktail stick, and then on the rod just put a little glue line where I want to stick my gold leaf. Gold leaves are very delicate, very difficult to handle, and if you just manoeuvre one to the corner of the bench, the side of the bench, you can then pick it up, looking above it to line it up, pick it up with the glue line, and that's the gold leaf attached to the electroscope again. Put that in, put the plate back on the top, and we should be able to charge up the rod and see the gold leaf working.